Welcome to Teller Hosting. In this video, we're talking about the DNS Zone Editor. DNS simply means Domain Name System, and the DNS Zone Editor is where you manage your domain's DNS records. DNS records control how your domain connects to services like your website, email, and third-party tools. It tells the internet where to find your website, where to deliver your emails, and how to connect different services to your domains. You might want to access the DNS Zone Editor if you need to connect your domain to another web service like Google Workspace or Microsoft 365, set up or update your website's IP address, add a TXT record for domain verification or email security, and so on. I'll walk you through how to access the DNS Zone Editor in cPanel. To start, log into your cPanel hosting account. Once you're on the cPanel dashboard, scroll to the Domain section. Under this section, click on Zone Editor. The Zone Editor page will now open and display a list of all the domains connected to your hosting account. If you have multiple domains hosted under your cPanel account, you will see a list of all of them here. Find the domain you want to work with and click Manage. This opens the DNS Zone Editor for that specific domain, giving you access to all its DNS records. Inside the Zone Editor, you will see a list of DNS records already configured for your domain, including A, CNAME, MX, TST, and so on. Each record type serves a unique purpose. For example, A record points your domains to your hosting server IP address. CNAME records redirects one domain to another, useful for subdomains. The MX record controls email routing. TXT record is used for verification and security purposes. From here, you can add a new record, and to do this, click on Add Record and choose the type of record. You can also edit existing records. Click Edit next to the record you want to change. You can delete a record. Click Delete. Be careful of removing essential records, as this may cause downtime. Once you've added or modified a record, don't forget to save your changes. Keep in mind that DNS updates may take a little time to propagate globally, usually anywhere from a few minutes to 24 hours, depending on your setting. And that's how you access the DNS Zone Editor in cPanel. It's not as technical as it might sound. Once you're logged in and know where to click, it's straightforward. And by mastering this simple feature, you can take full control of your online presence, managing your domain, ensuring smooth email delivery, and integrating essential services effortlessly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to friends who need Teller hosting services. Also, subscribe for more easy web hosting tutorials with Teller Hosting. See you in the next video.